Today we're going to be looking at how to find the product when you're multiplying a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. And as you can see here, we're being asked to find the product of 228 multiplied by 6. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and rewrite this equation down below. So 228 times 6. And when we're writing this out, we need to make sure that the numbers are in the proper place value. Because if I were to write the 6 underneath the 2 here, that would represent that I have 60. But I'm actually only multiplying 6, so I need to make sure that the 6 is in the ones place here. And once I'm sure that this equation is written properly, I can go ahead and start multiplying here. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and multiply the numbers in the ones place. So 6 times 8 is 48. So I'm going to go ahead and write an 8 underneath the 6 because that's in the ones place. But I need to do something with the remaining 40. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and carry this over into the tens place by writing a 4 above the 2 here. So I know that I still have another 40 left to account for. So now that I've figured this out, the next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and multiply 6 times 2, or 6 times 20 because the 2 is in the tens place. So 6 times 2 is 12, and we need to do something with the remaining 4, so we're going to add that on. So 4 plus 12 is going to give us 16. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and write the 6 down in the tens spot, but what we're going to do now is we're going to carry forward that remaining 10, or in this case, the remaining 100 because it's going into the hundreds place. So we're going to go ahead and write that above as well too. And lastly, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and multiply 6 times 2, or 6 times 200, because the 2 is in the hundreds place. And we know that 6 times 2 is 12, plus 1 is going to give us 13. So we're going to go ahead and write the 3 in the hundreds place, and we're going to go ahead and write the 1 in the thousands place. So the product of 228 times 6 is 1,368. I hope this video has helped you to understand how to find the product when you're multiplying a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. Thanks again for watching, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. As always, enjoy today's math lesson.